So today, for the later part of the day, I let the animal out of the cage myself, and I said, "Listen, as long as you can cut your losses quickly, I will let you do whatever feels right for you." And so this is what felt right to me, and it's so interesting to see. So, we talked about all these. I want to talk about these last four. Lizzie. So, in my last video, I talked about the alcoholic that gets back into a play, or the alcoholic that wakes up with a hangover and then goes back to the bar the next day. This is the same fucking idea. Like, I got out of Lizzie for a 63 cent loss. No, I got out of Lizzie for a 47-cent loss from 9:15 to 8:68. And the weird thing is that when I see this perking up to 9:09 again, wherever it was, I re-enter. And in the video, you can hear me say like, "Oh, I want to re-enter, but I know better than that." But I still re-entered because I'm chasing these little spikes that are happening. And it's so funny to see the insanity of it, the doing things over and over again that don't serve you. So check out what happened. God fucking damn it, stop texting me. So I got back in, after it's at 8:68, I don't enter at 8:68. I wait for that push again, thinking it's going to keep going higher. So I'm entering at a high of 9:09. And then from 9:09, it just like, this is where I exited. It was from 9:09, somewhere here, exiting here. I mean, I'm a great fucking short seller with my long ideas. And right after I exit, and I thought to myself, hey, I bet you it's going to come down to this 836 level. Let me make that my risk. And I was like, no, that's too much risk. Fucking touches right back here and goes right back up to 919. So, but it's so funny because I'm getting out at 846 when it cuts my risk level. Stop fucking texting me. Jesus fucking Christ. Anyway, so that was funny to me. And then I moved on to time. And on time, where am I? Did I not put this in? This was my best trade on time from 353 to 398. I was really like in tune with this one. I decided to buy on a dip. I'm risking 327, and since it never broke my risk, I decide to sell in the high over here, 398. Then I see a pullback. I see this green candle. I get back in. For another small win from 365.75 to 367.11 for a 1 cent loss. I made 68 cents. So then I'm like, all right, Lizzie is over, because I see this and I want to chase it again. And I'm like, no, we're really done with you right now. I'm not going to fool me once on me, on you. Fool me twice on me. I can't go in 3 times. Something like that. And anyway, it was good for me to exit time because it just keeps coming back down. So these two are over now. And it's so funny. These are the top 2% gainers. Being a top percent gainer does not mean diddly squat. It really doesn't. And I really have to knock that out of my head that all top percent gainers are good setups, because they are not. But it's so hard for me. It's so hard for me to detach that idea. It really, really is. Like, I see low flow, I see volume, I see top percent gainer, and I'm just like in another world. You could sell me anything. So then I get into CPSH, and I was looking at it, I think over here, and I was like, I don't like this chart. It looks like it's going downwards. Then the next time I look at it, I'm seeing this massive short squeeze, and I'm like, holy fucking shit. So I get in at 1221, and I see it go to 1271. right over here. But I miss my execution. I can't get out. So now I'm like, okay, it's going to pull back to the breakout level. My risk level is 1170. And I'm like, okay, I could sit through this. And I'm like, cool, I'm good. And what am I saying? And then I see it wavering, so I just get out for a small win, and it's only 25 shares. I can't really afford much of this for $6.87. And then I get back in at 12.52. And why do I get back in? Like right around here, because I'm like, I don't want to miss my opportunity. This is not coming down. I need to get inside now. This is the same feeling that I'm having right now looking at it spike up. I need to get in now. It's going to the moon. I must buy. I don't want to miss my plane ticket as it goes to the moon. So these feelings are very fucking weird because, like, my instincts are wrong. My instincts are telling me to buy at the wrong time. So when I'm long, I have to ignore those instincts, which are fueled by greed, FOMO, all that type of shit. And I have to put my logical brain cap on and say, we're only buying dips, which I successfully did here. But like the FOMO and the greed is so strong. Like I'm glad I let myself go today, because the problem isn't that I'm not cutting my losses quickly, because I did cut at my risk level. I got in fucking chasing highs at 12.52. And I got out when it dipped right below here. Do you see this? Do you see my greed is just like itching for that money? It's just like, give me that money. Whew. I might just do it again. But I know I should just stay away from this, because this is one of the worst things any newbie or intermediate person can do, is chasing highs. This is so bad. How do you get rid of this feeling? It's horrible. This seems like a perfect entry to me for a long setup. It's wrong. It's so wrong. The entry is here. This is the entry. Risking off of a cent lower with this kind of a payoff. Because even on Lizzie, I'm buying all the fucking highs, selling at the dips. Like, I'm completely backwards as a long. And I'm fucking pissed at myself for it. So it's just tough. I'm just like, fuck, man. You know, like, it's happened enough times where I know to look out for it. But at the same time, internally, I'm so attracted to it. You could say the same thing about having a vice, like the thing you know is not good for you, but you're very attracted to it. Like, I love sugar. I know it's not good for your teeth. I know it's not good for your liver. I know it's not good for the body. I can't get enough of it. You know? I was telling my friend about this, about like how every time I would go to the dentist and come back after like a drilled cavity, I would be like, oh, I'm never touching sugar again. And that's how I feel. Like, I have episodes on Lizzie and fucking Time and this, and I'm like, I'm never doing this again. And the fact that it spikes more makes me even greedier, because I'm like, well, if you would have gotten it at 12.65, you could have gotten out at 12.30, Liz. See what happens when you don't listen to the greedy monster? You don't make money. So I'm really struggling with this, to the point where I don't even want to long anymore, because I feel like my brain gets so fucked up as a long. I don't have this problem as a short. What the fuck is going on here? I really thought it was one problem, and now it's something else. But I'm happy that I can just like put this out there and be like, this is what I'm experiencing, because I've experienced this from the very beginning. Like, it's just very, very fucking difficult. I think a lot of people can relate to this, like, greed, or FOMO, or whatever the fuck it is. Um, I'm flipping my laptop upside down. I'm literally looking at my laptop upside down to see if I see anything different. And um, I don't think I do, because it would have to be inversed as well, for it to go from right to left. So that was my day today. Um, I'm going to step away from the market. I'm not going to be around the market Thursday, Friday, Monday. And so I'm just going to clear my head and try to reconcile with this like hungry animal that is inside of me, um like trying to make money in the most dumbest way. So that's all for now. And it's a low flow with volume. Okay, I gotta go. Bye, have a good day.